Hi students, welcome to the class. This is an age of advertisements. You see them on the internet, website, social media, YouTube, TV, in newspaper, magazines, radio and the cinema. When you step outdoors, you see advertisements on billboards in store windows, on buses, cabs, cars that go around, and the list is endless. There is almost nowhere you won't see ads nowadays. Anywhere the eye can see, it's likely to see an ad. So students, advertising is an integral part of everyday life. It's everywhere whether we notice it or not. Today our topic is advertisement. In American accent we say advertisement and in British accent we say advertisement. What is an advertisement? It is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, TV, radio, the cinema, YouTube, website, internet, social media, etc. regarding a product, service or an idea. It is a vehicle in which the advertising industries drive their message to the consumers. And now I'll tell you the purpose of an advertisement. The purpose, or we can say the aim of an advertisement, is to promote sales, services, ideas or events. Now we'll take up the next point, that is kinds. Advertisements, they are of two kinds. Number one, classified advertisements, and number two, commercial advertisements. Commercial advertisements, they are also called display advertisements. What are classified ads? Advertisements that are small and have a personal purpose or agenda are termed as classified adverts. Adverts means advertisements, such as situation vacant, situation wanted, lost and found, for sale, for purchase, etc. Students, these classified ads, they bring together people who need each other, such as the employer and the employee, the teacher and the student, the seller and the buyer, the landlord and the tenants. And these have a personal purpose. I'll give you one example. You are traveling and you have lost your bag or you have lost your document, suitcase, it can be anything. You will give the ad in the lost and found column. This is your personal purpose. I'll give you one more example. You are seeking or searching for a job. You'll give the ad in the situation wanted column. Students, this is your personal purpose. So, classified ads, they have a personal purpose or agenda. And they are termed as classified because they are grouped into categories or classes. What are commercial ads? Advertisements that are used by large business establishments with larger advertising budget are termed as commercial adverts, such as retail, branding, tenders, admission notices, etc. Students, these advertisements, they are large and they have got a large budget also. And now I'll tell you the features of classified ads. Students, in today's class, we will be discussing classified ads, and in the next class, I'll tell you about the commercial advertisements. So now we'll take up the features. Classified ads, they are small in size and they are written in columns. Second feature is these are for specific group. They are not for a large audience. And the third feature is that Classified ads, they are written in words and phrases. Each word is charged, so only essential words are written, or we can write in phrases. And the last one is that they are cheap. Because they are small, we will write in limited words, so they are cheap also. The next point is kinds of classified ads. I will read out the categories: situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, purchase of property, vehicle, household items, to let, accommodation wanted, lost and found, educational, business proposals, travel and tours, matrimonials, missing person or missing pet. Students, all these categories, they are in your syllabus, and one by one we'll discuss. Now I'll tell you regarding the word limit, that is 50. In your examination or in your test, you have to write in 50 words. But in real, when you give in the newspaper, it's not necessary that you have to write in 50 words. So for your examination purpose, you will write it in 50 words. And after solving the question, you have to box it or you have to enclose it. It is a must. And students, the CBSE has changed the marking scheme. Previously it was of 4 marks, but now it is of 3 marks. And the bifurcation is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 mark it is for the format, and 1 mark it is for the content, and 1 mark it is for grammatical mistakes or grammatical errors. Students, in today's class, we'll take up an example, we'll solve the example on classified advertisements, and the category that I'm going to take is situation vacant and situation wanted. Now I will write the question on the board and we will solve it. Students, I have written the question on the board and now I will read it. You are Mohit, the General Manager of PK Industries, 23 Industrial Area, Hyderabad. You need an accountant for your industry. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words. Students, we will understand the question first. Who is the employer? Mohit. And his designation is the General Manager. And the name of the firm is given, that is PK Industries, and contact address is also given, 23 Industrial Area, Hyderabad. And the requirement is of an accountant. So students, hope you have understood the question. But before we solve this question, I would like to tell you the essential details that we have to write in the situation vacant category. I'll write the title here, situation vacant. Students, we have to write the title at the top, in the middle, and in capital letters. First, I'll tell you the essential details. Number 1, we have to begin with wanted or required. So students, when you start writing, you have to either start with wanted or with required. And secondly, you have to mention the post and number of vacancies. Next you have to mention the name of the organization. The next point will be mention the personal details. Students, you have to write your answer in sequence. And now, what are the personal details that we have to mention? Qualification, age, sex or gender we can say, experience if you have got any, languages known, other skills. You have to mention all these details. And the next point is salary. You can write here salary offered. And then mode of applying. Contact, address, and then contact number. Students, you have to remember all these essential details when you write situation vacant. Quickly take a screenshot. Okay, I'll rub now. So students, we have written the title situation vacant and now we will begin with required. You can also write wanted. Required. Now we'll mention the post. No need to mention number of vacancies because in the question it is given an accountant and means only one accountant. So we'll write here required an accountant. And the third point was we have to mention the name of the organization. The name of the organization is PK Industries. So we'll write here required an accountant for PK Industries. And now the fourth point is that we have to mention the personal details. So we'll write qualification, according to the post we have to give the qualification. The requirement is of an accountant. We can write BCom or we can write MCom. So I'll write MCom. Then age 30 to 35 years. Sex male. Students, now sometimes preference is given to both the sex, female or male. So if it is given to both the sex, we can write male, put a slash and write female. And sometimes it is not mentioned in the question, so you are at your will whether you want to write only male or only female. Experience. Okay, I'll write 5 years. These days, knowledge of computer is a must. So I'll write computer literate. Languages known. We can write Hindi and English. And students, in any other skill, we can write according to the post. Now, here the requirement is that of an accountant. An accountant, he should know or he should have the knowledge of finance, taxation, and he should be able to handle legal matters. So, we can write here knowledge of finance and taxation should be able to handle legal matters. Students, we are over with the personal details. And the next point is we have to mention the salary. So we'll write here salary. And if you want to mention the amount, then you have to write offered. Salary offered. Rupees, say 45,000 per month. Students, sometimes we are confused, we don't know what salary to write. So, we will just write salary negotiable we can write. I'll write here salary negotiable. Negotiable means we can talk it over and come to an agreement, or we can have an open discussion. That is negotiable. We can also write attractive salary. We can also write handsome salary. So you can write what you want to write: salary offered, salary negotiable, attractive salary, or handsome salary. After salary, we have to write mode of applying. So we'll write here apply with complete biodata within a week. We have given the time period also. Now, whom to contact? The name is given Mohit. So we'll write to Mohit. Students, surname is not given. We can write any surname. Mohit Garg. Now designation is also given. So we'll write the designation, the general manager. The general manager. And now here students, when you write the name of the firm, it is written of PK Industries, and many students will copy the same thing. Do not write the preposition of. You have to write the name of the industry, PK Industries. And then write the full address that is given in the question. If the full address is not given in the question, you can write the address on your own. So we'll write 23 Industrial Area, Hyderabad. 23 Industrial Area, Hyderabad. And now the next point we have to write contact number. Already we have written the contact address. So we'll write contact number. When we write in short, we have to put a dot here, because if you will not put a dot, it will be read as no and it will become wrong. So students, don't forget to put a dot, contact number, and we have to give the full 10 digits number or landline number you can give. But please do not write like this 1, 2, 3 This is wrong. You have to give the full number. And then students, we have to enclose it. Do not forget to enclose. And you have to include the title in the enclosure. Sometimes the students, they do not include the title in the enclosure. You have to include the title also. Students, now we have solved the category situation vacant. And I will verbally tell you about situation wanted. Okay, let me tell you, we'll make changes in the question. You are an accountant, or we can say you are Mohit, you are an accountant, you are searching for a job, and address, you can write any address. Then you will begin with, in place of required an accountant, you will begin with the post first. You will write an accountant seeks a job. An accountant seeks a job. And after that, everything will be the same. You can write qualification, experience, all your other skills you can write. When it comes to sex, that time you will not mention your gender, because in the question your name will be there. So they will come to know about your gender or about your sex. And students, the other change that will take place, that is in salary offered. In place of salary offered, if you are mentioning the amount, you have to write salary expected. You will write here salary expected. And then you will not have to write the mode of applying. You will not write this apply with complete biodata. You will give your contact number and you will give your contact address. First you have to write the address, then you will give the contact number. And after writing the number, you can add contact timing. Contact timing. Like you can give 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and then you have to enclose it. I'll repeat. You will start with the post, an accountant seeks a job. If the name of the firm is given, place is given, you can mention in or around Delhi, in Hyderabad, and then you will write everything. You will not write sex, and in place of salary offered, you will write salary expected, and you will not write the mode of applying. And here after the contact address and the number, you will write contact timing. And now I'll rub the question and quickly we'll solve one question on situation wanted also. I have written the question on the board. I will read it out. You are Ashish Gill of 47 Mall Road, Shimla. You are a young man of 35 with 7 years of experience as an expert executive. You seek an immediate change to some prestigious export house in Mumbai. Draft a suitable advertisement. So students, now the title or the category will change. We will write situation wanted. This is written by a job seeker. Ashish Gill, he is in search of a job. So we will write situation wanted. And then I told you that we will start with the post. Here the post is executive. So we will start with an executive seeks a job. Then we have to write the name of the firm or the place. So in the question it is given in an export house in Mumbai. And then we'll write the personal details. In personal details we have to mention the qualification first. I have written qualification MBA, age 35 years, that is given in the question, and then experience 7 years, this is also given in the question. Students, I did not write here sex because in the address they will come to know you are a male or a female. So I have omitted sex. After that we have written computer literate. Languages known Hindi, English and Marathi. Then we can write other skills like familiar with e-commerce. E-commerce is electronic commerce, marketing administration, advanced license, etc. And then after the personal details we'll write the salary. In situation vacant, when we write salary, we will write salary offered. But in situation wanted, we will write salary expected. And students, if you get confused between expected or offered, then no need to mention the amount, simply write salary negotiable. I have written here salary expected rupees 50,000 per month, and I have added this word perks. Perks means besides the salary, other benefits that you are looking forward to. Contact address Ashish Gill, 47 Mall Road, it's given in the question, Shimla. Contact number, 10-digit number you have given, and then contact timing 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Students, hope you have understood it, and now we are over with the two categories, that is situation vacant and situation wanted. And for your better understanding you have to practice, and very soon I will be uploading the videos on other categories also. See you in the next class. Thank you.